everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious shrimp broccoli recipe, and it's going to be a very quick and easy to make. Within 5 minutes we're going to have this dish ready. Why I'm saying it? I'm going to use the shrimp. These are tail of deveined, and these are pre-cooked. It's a 2-pound shrimp. I'm going to use 1 pound. 1 pound broccoli, and I will share with you how we can make delicious broccoli within couple minutes. Spices from masala dabba, butter, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, cornstarch, parsley flake, and olive oil. 1/4 cup water. You can use the chicken stock. If you don't want to use chicken stock, use the plain water. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon hoisin sauce, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch and garlic. Cornstarch, hoisin sauce, soy sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to go on the gas and we're going to start making our delicious shrimp broccoli. One tip I wanted to share with you, since I'm using pre-cooked shrimp and these are frozen, I'll put this one into cold water, and once there is no more ice, drain the water, then we're going to cook it. Get a knife and turn on your burner, add olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Let the butter start to melt. Add garlic. Cook garlic for 10 seconds. This is what I have done with the shrimp. These are pre-cooked. I washed it with cold water and I rinsed it. And now we're going to, on slow gas, cook with garlic so that the shrimp can soak up butter and garlic flavor. On my other burner, I put the water and I bring the water to boil, and now I will share with you. We're going to add a broccoli inside in a boiling water, and we're going to do it only 1 minute. You don't want to cook too much. So mix it just like this. This is good, and we're going to cook. This is, as you've seen, it's a hot boiling water, and we're going to give only 1 minute. So keep your timer on. As you see, on the simmer, the shrimp has absorbed all the garlicky and buttery flavor, and now we're going to add spices. Salt to taste, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon red chili flake. Mix it well on a low gas. Mix it again, and we're going to bring the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and cornstarch, and cook it for until it gets thickened. And now we can bring the gas high. On the other side, it's exactly 1 minute. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to drain the water. I'll take this one to the sink and I'll drain the water. As our sauce is getting thickened, and as you see the broccoli, I drained the water, how the broccoli looks. Within 1 minute, it's tender. It's going to be super delicious. Cooking shrimp with our sauce for 2 minutes. And now add broccoli. With the help of 2 spoons, mix it. And make sure that your gas is on simmer. So keep mixing, we get the flavor on broccoli. You don't want to cook your shrimps too long because the shrimps are pre-cooked. So within 2 minutes, it's all ready. I have my serving platter ready. And look at this, super delicious, super yummy. And it's so easy and so quick. Let me share with you. Sprinkle with parsley flake. Wow, this is very delicious. Please try this recipe and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.